Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to make Facebook private. To start, open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right and then click on the gear icon. Once you're here, scroll down. Then click on How can people find you? Then tap on Who can send you friend requests. Then in here, select Friends of Friends. Now tap on the last option. Then in here, turn this off. Now go back and head on over to Posts. In here, click on Who can see your future posts. Then in here, click on Only Me. Now tap on Followers and Public Content. In here, follow the settings on my screen. Then on Settings and Privacy, go to Profile and Tagging. Now tap on Posts on Profile, then tap on Only Me. Once you have switched everything to Only Me, you should all be good to go. Including active status, you can turn this off. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.